Hey there, today I have this heating element. This goes on the bottom of my GE oven. So let's take a close look at it and we'll see how easy it is to install. So this is to replace my GE oven bottom heating element. It's nice and smooth. It feels like there aren't any imperfections in it, which I like. Matches my old one. Here's an up close look at the connections. So I just took my ratchet and I'm loosening up those two nuts in the back. Now there's two little clips in the back corner, so I need to get those off. Make sure that they don't slide in back behind the oven and then replace with the new ones. And here is the new one, all in place. All right, so I just turned it on. It's all fixed. This fit perfectly. Took about 10 minutes of time, start to finish, super easy fix. So if you are looking for a new baking element for your stove, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.